You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words. What is the first one? Doge. Okay, so that's a type of dog, a dog breed. Doge, not Dodge, not dog, Doge, alright? So the subsequent cryptocurrency or currency name is Dogecoin. Dogecoin. I know it's a bit strange to pronounce, but the English pronunciation is as Dogecoin, not Dogcoin, not Doge, Dogecoin, Dogecoin, Doge and Dogecoin, I know, Dogecoin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.